So I invite you to just relax for meditation. Just get comfortable. I visualize us sometime in the future with little Zen pillows here all along the floor in the front. And the littles in here with us for this practice. It's sacred. It's important. It's everything to step apart for a while in a way that we move from the confines and constructs of linear time and space. And we move into the spiritual realm, the realm of the soul, which Charles Fillmore and Myrtle Fillmore taught us is really the divine impulse within each of us at work in this thing we call our lives. So too often in the world we can forget, and we can be hypnotized and mesmerized and canonized by the world around us. And we tend to forget the living water sourcing the world within us. And it is great. It is vast. It is wondrous. It is plentiful. It is illuminating. It is invigorating. It contains within it all needed in each present moment to show up. The trick and the illusion of the human condition is thinking that we're prepared for more than this moment before us and hopping into the future and acting like we've been prepared for that. And I think the Spirit says, oh, sweet little one, the portal's in the present moment. The master teacher said, don't look in the sky, in the air, to the birds. Look within. That also brings us to the divine understanding that we don't look to the future. Don't look in the ground. Don't look in the past. Bring our energy back completely and fully to right here and right now. The kingdom of God is within you. Translate that, the kingdom of God, the realm of God, the thing that needs no name. Let go of the ideas that we need to criticize each other's verbiage. It will always be insufficient. It will always be offensive to someone. Choose your higher understanding and become a translator of spiritual things. In that way, we become harmonizers. So let us harmonize right here and right now. Let us relax and loosen the clutches of the mind, of the ego, of the human condition, of the sense of separation or sense of separate self. And breathe into the practice, which is the way. It is the way. It is the way that we experience the truth. And the truth is the space beyond duality. The truth is the divine translator that harmonizes and translates in such a way there is no opposite. That in fact, That biblical idea of speaking in tongues and being able to understand each other, understand our God language, understand ourselves, all folds into one, like the Big Bang. And then we create from there. And then we act from there. Because that is the light. The master teacher attached his I am nature to this practice. Embodied it so deeply, metabolized it so fully, experienced it from center to circumference with all of his humanity and all of his divinity, leading the way for something radical and rebellious, even for the times. We inhale and we exhale and recognize that it is radical and rebellious, even for these times. And yet it's simple and it's truth. The portal to everything we are and everything we can imagine is right here, right now, freely given as a divine yes, in accordance with mother time that knows no bounds. Harmonize, breathe, receive in the sacred silence. Three deep breaths, drawing the breath from the soles of the feet, from the Mother Earth, up through the body temple, through the spine, making the head long, high, spine straight, shoulders back to the third eye, to the sky, and then releasing again all the way from the ground to the sky. 3 breaths. The last one, getting the maximum inhale and the maximum exhale. And gently bowing to seal the practice in your own way. Namaste.